I'm an Estonian citizen, and I want to take part of the municipality elections, the local elections. I'm here at Lighthouse, the westernmost point of Estonia, and my election booth is over here. So let's try the internet voting, the voting out. Does it work? I'm gonna log in to my account on my computer. I'm doing the Wi-Fi hotspot with my phone. It's 4G. Latvia is over there. I can see it with my eyes. I'm not sure you can see it as well. I'm recording everything that I'm doing on my phone, via screen recording. I'm doing the same on my computer as well, so you will have a better view what is going on. Every Estonian has a secure digital ID, an ID card, and also lots of them have mobile ID. I've got mobile ID. I don't need to insert my physical ID card into my computer. I go to valimis.ee, elections.ee, download the United OS application. It takes a few moments. My family is over here as well. It's a special occasion, the elections, and I run the application here. So now I've got two options to insert my ID card or either mobile ID. I've got mobile ID. I'm going to insert my phone number and my easy to vote. It's every person has it. Basically, just your name in a number form matches the code on the phone. 1991. And if the things match, I get access to the election software. It tells me I've elected already. I know. I just press on whichever candidate I like. It doesn't matter that you see which candidate I elect for, because I can always revote until 8 p.m. on Saturday evening. And if I really like to, so now P2, I verified it. And the result is, what is the result? Was I able to cast my vote or not? But yes, I was able. So there's a QR code that I can check if it went through or not. And I'm gonna see it went through. The candidate is the same, everything is the same. So it doesn't matter that you see what candidate I voted for. It doesn't matter that you saw the QR code, because the QR code is only valid for 30 minutes. So after I upload it, so you cannot scan the QR code, it will not give you an answer. And after this video, I will elect again. I will select a different candidate, and I can go into the physical booth tomorrow morning, and I can elect in a physical paper ballot form, and then my electronic vote will be deleted. So, okay, that's it.